today. In today's video, I want to talk about starting your own business, making money on the internet, and earning extra income online. Okay, but guys, before I even get into that, right, let's get into why I'm actually on the screen, right, of a base showing David Price, right? Why am I on the screen showing David Price? Because, guys, you guys all know that I love doing metaphors. I love analogies and I love acronyms. And so today, guys, in this particular video, I'm gonna use this guy, David Price, in an analogy while I'm talking about making money from home, starting your own business, or earning extra income. Now, guys, David Price is the highest paid baseball player in the world, guys, okay? He comes in right around $31 million, I believe. You know, that's the contract that he signed. But anyway, the guy makes a lot of money, right? Playing baseball, probably something that he really loves. So how does that tie into the baseball diamond that I'm looking at right now? Well, guys, one of my famous, or should I say my favorite videos that I ever did on YouTube was I used baseball in the analogy where I was talking about, guys, scoring a home run. And the fact that if you could score a home run, right, one time, then you could do it again, right? David Price, want to know what his position is. Doesn't matter, guys. He knows how to hit home runs. That's why they pay him the big bucks, right? So when we talk about making money from home or starting your own business or earning extra income, it's like hitting your first home run. And then, guys, if you can do it once, you can do it over and over and over again. Now, David Price didn't get where he is by one day he just stepped onto a baseball diamond and started being able to command that kind of money. He probably started when he was about 6 or 7 years old, guys. I bet you. If you pull him up and you read his bio, you know, I bet you that's what he did. He practiced, right? He practiced and he practiced and he practiced, right? Until he got to this place where he was able to command that kind of money. I don't know all the story, but that's where he is. So, guys, if you practice, right, and you don't have to practice half as much as David Price did, and you can score a home run, right? Just think of it this way, then you can make money online, right? And the practice comes from training, right? Okay, remember that, guys. The practice comes from training. A lot of training, intensive training, serious training, right? Now, guys, let's assume, right, you're on home base. And the analogy that I did on YouTube, I use home base as your business opportunity, right? As your business opportunity, the vehicle you're going to use to start your own business, to earn some extra income or make money from home. Then, guys, in that analogy, I moved from home, from home plate to first base. And I said, well, how do you get from home base to first plate, right? To first base. And I talked about that being traffic, right? Because if you have a business opportunity already, the next thing you need to do is to be able to get in front of the people. And the way that you do that is with traffic. Well, now that you have your business opportunity, by the way, let's just I hear the sirens out there, guys. Let me pull this curtain. Not only the business opportunity here, right? But it's your system, right? Your vehicle, this business opportunity / marketing system. Traffic gets you to first base because it gives you the ability to start getting in front of the people that you're trying to show your opportunity to, that you want to introduce it to, right? So how do you get to second base? Well, you got your system, your marketing system. You have traffic going into it now, and we're going to talk about why this is the most integral part of the puzzle, that traffic. But now that you're on first base, how do you get to second base? Well, guys, once you started running traffic for your business opportunity through your marketing system, you got leads, right? And those leads are people, right? That's what traffic is, guys, it's people. So now you're going from from first base to second base, because not only do you have your marketing system and your vehicle, you're bringing traffic into it right in here. That traffic becomes leads, and now, guys, you're on second base. Now, guys, now that you're on second base, what are you going to do? You got to get to third base, right? So how do you get to third base? These leads that started coming into your marketing system through the traffic you was running into it, some of those leads, right, will buy, right? They will opt in and they will buy things from you. And that's how you get to third base, right? You know, you got your business, you got your traffic, which becomes leads. Leads opt in. Some of those opt-ins will start to buy from you. So now you're on third base. So how do you get the home run, guys? How do you bring it all home? You do exactly what it is you did to get to third base, guys, all over again. And guess what? You're gonna be home. You're gonna come right back here to home plate, guys. You scored a home run, right? Now, what did I say that it's gonna take, guys? It's gonna take having the marketing system and the business, the vehicle, driving traffic into it, getting leads. Them leads start opting in, guys, and they become people who want to, they're on your list now, right? And ultimately, guys, you start making sales here. You do it all over again, and then you come home. And then, guys, you just do it over and over and over again. And that's what's known as scaling, right? Scaling your business is taking a portion of the money that you make and reinvesting it back into more advertising, right? Back into more traffic, right? So let's talk about this. And I'm just going to start plain English now, right? The metaphors are over. Guys, when you have a system, you guys see me doing a lot of videos, right? When you have a system, you don't have to do videos, right? I want to make that clear right here at the door. Not for the things that I do, guys. You really, literally allowing other people to market the product for you, and you make commissions. Okay, other people are marketing the product for you. I love doing videos. I can never stop now. I love it. I love teaching. I love training. But everything that I'm involved in, I don't have to do any selling. All I have to do is get in position, right? Right? Position myself in front of people. I let other people do the selling, right? My wife is calling, guys. It never fails. So anyway, hold on, guys. Let me pause this video. Okay, guys, I am back. My wife just discombobulated me altogether. I lost my train of thought, but I had to get that call because there's some work we haven't done, and we had to do that. I had to straighten all that out. Anyway, guys, listen. If you can use a marketing system, and I was saying, I think that you don't have to do videos and things like that. I just love doing it. If you can use marketing systems to start positioning yourself in front of thousands of prospects, okay, with your business opportunity. Guys, a portion of them, when you follow that little blueprint that I just went through, will simply join you, whether you do videos or not. And inside of this new system for the Fearless Mama, what we do, guys, is we teach you those things. I told you guys that everything that I do, you guys get replicated websites. You guys get insider training. I do a lot of videos on YouTube. But the training you have access to, guys, it pales in comparison to, my training actually pales in comparison to what. Well, I shouldn't say that because I actually think I'm pretty good with the training, but I love it, so that's why I do it. But you guys will see a lot more than that. Worth really the value. If I could put a price tag on it, I honestly, guys, it's thousands of dollars worth of great training and information. So anyway, because I got all off track in this video, guys, I'm going to leave the link for this particular presentation in the YouTube video description area. Guys, take your time. Click the link below and watch the video presentation. This just may be something that could spark your interest. It may be something that will teach you a little bit more about marketing online, educating yourself, moving digital products and services. And so I want you guys to take the time to watch it, okay? I got 1,000 more videos to do, guys. It is beautiful outside. I need to get my camera fixed so I can get back on the camera instead of being on the other side of it. I'm going to start shooting some videos outside. Stay plugged into the channel, guys. I love you guys so very much for being subscribed. If you're new and you're finding me for the very first time and you're looking for a way to make some extra income, or you interested in starting your own business, whatever your desire is, guys, all I do is talk about different business opportunities, not that many that I'm in now, and we talk about different techniques, tactics, and strategies you can use to build and scale and grow your business, guys. Okay, that's what it's all about. Okay, anyway, I got to get out of here, guys. I got miles to go before I sleep and thousands of more videos to shoot, so I'll see you guys on the next video. Keep banging.